I've been letting my family down. I've been letting y'all down, man. I said every day I'm a vlog. I said every day. Every day, so I gotta get on it, guys. No matter what, I have to try to get one out there every day. I'm gonna try, family. It's just, you know, my daughter's first Christmas, and it's just, you know, so just cut me a little bit of slack this season, just a little bit of slack this Christmas, guys. Yeah, so, but I gotta get one in every day. Look, the Christmas tree is not even lit right now because it's daytime. But we better go do some retail arbitrage. You want to get your shipments in as soon as possible. Shopping and send it in. So let me go see what I can find. Yeah, so let's go, family. I mean, I'm looking for my wallet right now. I don't know where it's at, but yeah, guys, this is the vlog. This is the official vlog. So yeah, it's vlog style right now. Hey, let me see how cold it is outside. I haven't even been outside. I got all these layers on. Oh, it's actually not that bad. So guys, this is the vlog. This is how I'm going out today. I mean, I got my pajamas on too. I know a couple people in my area have been hip to my videos, so they've been hitting the spots I hit. So let's see if I can still find some stuff. This is a challenge. Let's see if I can find something. All right, family, so let me get on my shoes because I'm not going to go on my flip-flops. However, I'm going to keep on my pajama pants. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you slap that bell to get notified when I upload for these vlogs, because you already know what it is. We making money over here. Merry Christmas!
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
Alright. What's up, family? Okay, family, so we got to the Goodwill. It looks a little bit empty today, actually. People have been crushing it in here. Yeah, so I'm here and I am about to see if I can find some stuff, but it's been absolutely crushed in here. Everything looks so empty. But I know I can still find some stuff. Yeah, family, so oh my god, look at this Christmas tree stand. We were looking for one, but that's too small. But yeah, family, so what's gonna happen is, let's see if I can find something. See, I found something already. I'm gonna have to scan this. Product. But let me do some scanning really quick, family. Let's see what's up. Alright, you guys like to be my eyes, so I'm gonna show you how I look in the Goodwill. Since there are not a lot of people, I'm gonna let you guys be my eyes today in the Goodwill. Excuse me, sorry. So alright, so I'm just cruising and I just go aisle to aisle and I see something like this, right? The box is destroyed. So honestly, this is a used item, but I wouldn't even send it in this box. I would actually take it out. So let's see if it's gonna make me a profit. But if it is gonna make me a profit, I'm not even gonna use that box. I'm gonna just like send it in bubble wrap up, but it's not even popping up. Let's see if I can scan the picture here. Oh, it's not even popping up. But so time is precious, guys, so I'm not even gonna waste any time. It's not popping up. The box is beat up anyway. Let's scan this guy here, this one right here. Let's scan this. See what we can find here. Okay, not bad, guys. Let's see, 78 cents. Oh man, that's not good. 78 cents, and they're selling this for $2.99, so this is going back, guys. It's not something we want. Let's see here. Let's put it actually back in the right spot. So this is not something we want. Let's check this guy. What is this? Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. There we go. Okay, there we have it right here. $9. Oh, it's restricted. Let's check the other listing. It's restricted here too. Those look like the only good ones, so let's see if we can sell it in other forms. Yep, it's restricted all the way around. Let's check the first one. See if we can sell it any other way. Yep, it's restricted all the way around, guys. So I don't stress them. I don't stress restrictions. I just put them back. Let's check this. Let's check this right here. Never spend any time dwelling on restrictions, guys. I don't care. I just keep it going. It's just the BSR is outrageous. The BSR is like 200,000 in home, but it's gonna make me. It would make me $9. How much is it? 99 cents. All right, so this is 99 cents, and the profits are around $9. So I would take a risk for this right now, seeing that it's Q4. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get that, seeing how it's Q4. Yeah, family, I'm gonna get that one, seeing how it's Q4. Even though the BSR was like 290,000, but it's 99 cents, and it can make me a potential $9 profit. So just around $8 for 99 cents. That's a risk I'm willing to take on Q4. So I'm gonna test that one out. Now let's continue looking. Now this guy right here, that looks used, but it has a barcode, so let's scan it. Since it has a barcode, we're gonna scan it. And what do you know? $17. Oh, but looks like it's restricted, guys. That would have been a good find. And it's yellow. Yellow's the color of the day. Let's see. This one has nope, doesn't have a barcode. This would have been awesome. But keep it moving. Keep it moving, guys. Don't dwell. Don't dwell on the can'ts. Do not dwell on the can'ts, family. That's the key. Don't dwell on the can'ts. Just look for the kins. Don't dwell on the can'ts. Look at this. Waffle maker. The box was pretty beat up, but it's in a box. And I would actually sell this. I would actually sell this as used. Just because of the box. It's a little bit scruffy. Not bad, but it has tape on it. It obviously clearly has tape on it, but it's not beat up to like a pulp. Let's see if I can even sell it though. 1 million. Nope, that's not a risk I'm willing to take at all by any means. 1 million is off limits. Let's see. Let's see what this little cupcake thing. I don't think this is anything, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out for this little cupcake thing. Let's see. Oh wow, I was wrong. Oh, but it's restricted. Look at all the restrictions, guys. You see what's going on for me? You see what's going on for me? Look, restricted again. But am I dwelling it? It's okay. Yep, restricted. Look at that. Would have made me some decent profits, but moving on. Okay, guys, so we did not find much. Only 3 little items. Nothing serious. I think it's about. I spent about, well, these 2 are gifts. One's for my mom and one is for my baby. But these 2, I spent around $3. I'm gonna make around 16, 17 bucks profit. Ho, 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 what's going on, family? What's up, yo? Hey, listen, guys, all right, I found some stuff, but nothing. I didn't find anything crazy. I didn't find a gazillion items. I didn't make a gazillion dollars today. It wasn't one of those days. You won't have days like that all the time, but it's okay. I did do some online arbitrage, however. I ordered some more stuff, a repeat order, so that's that. I spent about $100 online. But what I found in the Goodwill today, guys, I'm going to show you guys what I found today. So let's just get right into this really quick. First, we're gonna start off with the not so good item that I don't know if it's gonna sell or not. Really, to be honest, is a big risk. Well, you don't know if anything's gonna sell, but most of the time it sells if you follow the BSR and the research, right? But anyways, guys, this is the first item I found today. Only 2 items. That's it. 2 items. I was kind of rushing because I have things to do today, but only 2 items. This is the first one. I don't know exactly what this is, but let's see if we can zoom into the price. It's not zooming into the price. Let's go. All right, you guys see that? 99 cents. So I bought this for 99 cents. Come back, camera, come back, zoom back. Let's get it. There you go, focus. All right, 99 cents, guys. I bought this for 99 cents, right? So let me scan. I scanned it in the store. I'm quite sure I scanned this in the store, but I'm gonna scan it again right now just to make sure, because you know, like I've been very forgetful lately. I don't know why. I've just been forgetting stuff. But all right, look. So yeah. There we go. Okay, so here's the deal, guys. It has a BSR of 300,000 in home. 300,000. But here's the thing, there's a lot of things that sell in home. So home is one of those categories that the BSR can be a little bit larger on Q4. So it's 300,000. I'm taking a risk here. Don't know if it's gonna sell. It might sell. I think it's gonna sell, to be honest with you guys. There's five 5-star reviews, which is a good thing. But the real reason why I bought it is because I was able to get this for 99 cents. And let me see the profits. And yeah, and it'll make me $9, guys. So I mean, 99 cents for $9, I'm gonna take that risk every time. So that's the first item I bought. Okay, let's get into the second item. That's that. Let's get to the second item. Alright, family, check this out. So the second item is I think it's like a vacuum filter, some type of filter, right? It's a filter, right? I got this one. I got this one for $1.99. So we're at a total of $3, right? We're at $3 right now. So the first one's gonna make me about $9. If it sells, we don't know, but it's all good. I'm gonna scan this one really quick. Let's scan it. This one has a BSR of 40,000. That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay, that's good. That's good. With 25 5-star reviews. I mean, I'm not lying to you guys. There we go. Hair in my mouth. Don't y'all hate that? You ever got hair in your mouth? I think it's the Goodwill. People be having cats and orangutans and all types of animals. So I bought that one for $1.99, and it's gonna make me $13.80. $13.80, and I'm sure that's gonna sell. All right, now, so what did I just do, guys? Now, this one can make me $9, the other one can make me $13.80. Let's just say 13. Let's take off the 80. Let's just take it off, right? The 80 cents is for shipping. Let's just say that, whatever, right? As a matter of fact, let's take off $3 just for you people that say, you know, calculate the shipping. So I'll just take off $3. All right, so this one's gonna make me $10. Let's say $10, all right? Now, one's gonna make me 9, one's gonna make me 10. The 9 is a little iffy. We don't know. It has a high BSR, but I think it's gonna sell, or else I wouldn't have bought it. Now, that's a total of $19, guys. And I took off $3 for shipping. That's a total of $19. Let's take away what I paid for the item. So what I paid in total is $3. So let's take away another $3. So that's a total of $16. All right, guys. Now, I spent $3 today. What can you buy with $3? Not much. There's not much stuff you can buy with $3 and be satisfied unless you eat at McDonald's. Now, what can you buy with $3? Now, I spent $3, family, $3 with the potential to make $16 back. And it's honestly more than that, but I just minus some stuff just for those of you who are real, like, you don't calculate a lot of stuff, Lavar. You don't count. I took off $6 for y'all. You happy? All right, that's gonna cover any type of fees you thinking. Now, I spent $3, and my profits are gonna be $16. Even if the other one doesn't sell, let's take away $9. Okay, let's take away $9. I still spent $3, right? I spent $3, and my profits can be. Wait, let's take away $9. Let's see. $7. All right. So even if I took away even if the other item doesn't sell, I will still make $7 in profits, which is more than 100% ROI. Even if the other item does not sell, I will still make over 100% ROI. 200% actually, because I spent only $300. I spent only $3 and I can still make seven. That's 3 twice plus $1. That's 200%. You know, that's 200% ROI, guys. So that may be a little haul, right? That's not even a haul. We won't even call that a haul. That's a little pickup, right? That's a little pickup. But that little pickup, what was you gonna do with $3? You got I know you got $3 dusty in your wallet right now on your pocket. I know you got $3 dusty just sitting there, just lonely, right? I took $3 that was just sitting there, not doing nothing but just chilling, and I put it to work. And now it's gonna make me $19 because I know the other one's gonna sell. I have faith in it. Universe, open up for me. I know you got $3. I know you do. So do not hit the dollar menu and go to Goodwill instead. Look, family, don't get hypnotized. Listen, don't get hypnotized with these guys making $2,000 in a night, $5,000 in a night. Yeah, you can do that, but most of you guys will not do that because you're not willing to spend that much money in a night. So what you guys got to understand is to make thousands in a day, you have to spend multiple thousands in that day. Trust and believe me. Now, it is very, very possible. I myself have done it. I've made $2,000 in a $2,500 actually, to be exact, in one day. That was one of my biggest days ever, and that was last year. But guys, look, to make that type of money, you're gonna have to spend that type of money. Okay, guys? So just don't get all hypnotized by that stuff. I'm showing my fam how you can still take $3 lonely dollars. Like, I mean, I know you probably got $3 in change in your car right now, just quarters on the floor, because I know I do. And you can just go to the Goodwill, pick up those quarters and be like, look, what can I find today with the change in my car? I'm showing you guys how to invest that money, guys. So listen, I just took $3 and it's about to make me 16. Look, I already forgot. I don't know, but it's gonna make me way more than even 200% ROI, way more, 500%. Guys, I mean, this is easy, right? And that was only 3 items on 2 products, guys. So imagine if you did that. What I just did with $3, imagine if I did it with $300. How much money you would think I would make then? This is where the fun starts. But I'm just showing you guys what's possible. Now, of course, I'm not going to send this in by itself. Of course, I'm going to add products to it. I actually have products over there that you can't see right now that I'm going to add to this. And I'm just going to make one big shipment. But yeah, family, that's all she wrote. That's all it is right now. I'm about to go attend to my baby. She's calling my name. If any of you guys know the answers to anything somebody's asking in the comments below, just answer it for them, and I will get to it as soon as I can too, guys. I mean, because we're all family, we're all students. Like I told you, I'm no teacher, we all students. I'm just showing you what works for me, and I know it's gonna work for you if you try it. So make sure you hit the bell to get notified when I upload another video. It is peace and love as always, family. Until the next one, I will see you guys next time. Peace.